we're asked to use the table of integrals to evaluate the indefinite integral. It is important to notice here, though, we could integrate by using integration by parts, but we are told to use the table of integrals. So looking through the table of integrals, we should be able to recognize the given integral resembles the integration formula shown below, where the integral of u times e to the power of au, differential u, is equal to 1 divided by a squared times the quantity au minus 1 times e to the power of au plus c. Let's begin by factoring out this 6 and write this as 6 times the integral of x e to the power of 5x differential x. And now comparing to the formula, notice u is equal to x, which means differential u is equal to dx, which indicates u substitution is not required, and also notice a is equal to 5. So even though u substitution is not required, let's write the given integral in terms of u and a just to make sure it matches the formula. We have 6 times integral x is equal to u, so we have u e to the power of 5x, where 5x is equal to au, and dx is equal to differential u. So notice how it does match the formula perfectly. So the antiderivative is 6 times 1 divided by a squared, which is 1 divided by 5 squared, times the quantity au minus 1, which is the quantity 5x minus 1, times e to the power of au, which is e to the power of 5x plus c. Simplifying, we have 6/25 times the quantity 5x minus 1 times e to the power of 5x plus c. This is an acceptable form for the antiderivative. However, if we did apply the integration by parts formula, we would have the expanded form. Let's also show that. So let's first distribute the 6/25, which gives the quantity 30/25 x minus 6/25 times e to the power of 5x plus c. And now let's go ahead and distribute e to the power of 5x and simplify 30/25 x. 30/25 simplifies to 6/5, giving us 6/5 x times e to the power of 5x minus 6/25 e to the power of 5x plus c. If we did apply the integration by parts formula, the antiderivative would be in the expanded form shown here. I hope you found this helpful.